Sir, you are on mute.
1 minute. I'm in another call. Yeah, I only muted. I'm in another call. Is it notepad visible?
Yes, sir.
Take next problem. Given x of n, given x of n is equal to 3, 2. 2 is the origin, and h of n is equal to 1, 2, 3. 2 is the origin. Find y of n is equal to x of n convolved with h of n. Okay, we need to find the convolution for y of n. Okay, here we'll come to the solution. Okay, first we need to find the summation length. First point, summation length will be same as your x of n, as we discussed in the last class. Summation length will be same as your x of n, means -1 to 0. This is -1 and this is 0. Why it is 0? Arrow indicates that this is a 0. This is a origin. Here also this will be 0 and this will be -1 and this will be +1. This is a samples. N values will be vary from -1 to 1 for h of n, and n will be vary from -1 to 0 for x of n. That is the meaning. Now we need to find L. What is the relation to find L? M plus n minus 1. What is M? Number of samples in the x of n. 2 plus number of samples in the h of n, that will be 3 minus 1. You will get 4. L will be 4. Okay. Next, y of n ranges from. Now we need to find y of n. How it will be going to range? Y of n is ranges from total values in negative sign to total values in positive sign, so that n is equal to what is the total number of y of n ranges from total values in negative sign. Negative side total values will be 1, 2. Totally we have 2. Am I right? For example, this is a total y of n origin 0. Left side totally we have 1, 2 samples we have left side, that is -1, -2. In the positive side we have only 1, that is 1. Totally 4 samples. N will be vary from -2, -1, 0, 1. This is the way of finding the n. Any doubts in finding y?
No, sir.
Okay, see here, left side totally 2 samples we have, that will be -2 and -1. Origin will be 1, and right side in this signal we don't have any right side signal, but here we have only 1, that I am going to take it as a 1. Okay, so n is equal to -2 to +1. Okay, now we can take y of n is equal to summation k is equal to -1 to 0. K is same as your x of n, -1 to 0. This I am going to consider it as a limits, so that my equation will be x of k into h of n minus k. I'm going to change the equation with respect to x of k into h of n minus k. Now I got the values of n. N values will be -2 to +1. First I will take n is equal to when n is equal to -2. Okay. For this case, y of -2 is equal to summation k is equal to -1 to 0. So that x of k into y of what is the value you will get? -2 minus k you are going to get. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then now split the summation.
H of -2 minus k, sir.
Sorry, this is h. H of -2 minus k. Now y value will be vary from -1 to 0. Split this summation. First put x of -1, h of -2 minus of -1. Again you will get h of -1. Find the value for y of -2. What is the value? X of -1 into h of -2 minus of -1. What you will get? X of -1 into h of, this is minus into minus plus, -2 -1 you will get. What is your sorry, then plus x of 0 into h of -2 minus 0. That is x of 0 h of -2. What is x of -1?
3.
3. H of -1? 1 plus
1.
x of 0 2. H of -2, we don't have -2, h of -2, that will be 0. This becomes 0, you will get 3. Got everyone 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then if n is equal to -1, what is y of -1? If n is equal to 0, what is y of 0? If n is equal to 1, what is y of 1? Find the values for another 3. Then do the verification, right side. Y of -1 will be 8, y of 0 will be 13, y of 1 will be 6. Then finally y of n is equal to 3, 8, 13, 6. 13 is the origin. Got everyone same answer?
Yes, sir.
We'll move to next problem. Okay, take given x of n is equal to 3, 2, 2 is the origin, and h of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2 is the origin. Find y of n is equal to x of n convolved with h of n. Can you try this problem? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Can you try this problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಏನು ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನೋ ಸೇಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಅಂತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. y of n is equal to x of n convolved with h of n using graphical method. Okay. Now, okay, all of you observe one problem I will solve. Next problem you have to try. Okay, first what I will do, I will sketch the signal for both x of n as well as h of n. This is my x of n. I'm going to sketch x of n. The samples will be 0, -1. At 0 we have a sample 2. At -1 we have a sample 3. Got everyone? This is n sample. This is x of n. Next, sketch the signal for h of n. What is the meaning of graphical representation? This only. What I am going to draw, this is a graphical representation. Now we need to convolution. Using this graphs we need to convolve. In the previous, that is formula method. But this is graphical representation method. H of n 0, -1, +1. At -1 we have an amplitude 1. At 0 we have an amplitude 2. At 1 we have an amplitude 3. Okay, any doubts in this? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, now I will write here. We know that you don't write it side, you write it in the down only. Why? Because I need to keep on scroll. That is why I'll use this place. Okay, we know that y of n is equal to summation k is equal to -infinity to infinity x of k h of n minus k. Okay, this is our standard formula for the convolution used in formula method. Okay, now I am alter this equation as my convenient. Y of n is equal to summation. I am not going to change the limits. The limits will be same, -infinity to +infinity. K lies between -infinity to +infinity. I am going to find the y of n. X of k into h of I will take -k plus n. Both are same, no? N minus k plus n. Both are same or different?
Same, sir.
Same only. Why I am going to change this? Why? Because I need to shift the samples. shift the samples. If I need to go for a shifting property, always h of k minus n, k plus n, it is in the form of that only. That is why I made it change. But in the case of formula method, no issues. Whatever we have this, we can substitute, we'll get the answer. But here it will be little bit difficult. That is why I am going to interchange. As of my convenient, I am going to change this. Now I will do this from this signal. From this signal, next step, write down from the signals given we can get x of k and h of k, x of k and h of k as the same signal which I am going to consider this with respect to h of k and x of k. This is my x of k will be varying the k limits and the same limits -1, -1, 0. Samples will be 3 and sample will be 2. And one more signal that is your h of signal, h of k signal, h of k, that will be -1, 0, 1. The samples will be same 1, 2 and 3. This is sample of 1. Any doubts with respect to this? What I did, just I wrote the standard equation of convolution. Y of n is equal to summation k is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of k h of n minus k. As my convenient, I am going to change the h of k, that is h of n minus k replaced by h of minus k plus n I have written. Now same graphical representation with respect to x of n and h of n, just I am going to change with respect to x of k. With respect to k domain, I am going to change.
So
any doubts?
Of n, we should replace it with k, sir.
Yes, n is replaced with k. Why? Because our standard formula will be changed with respect to x of k and h of k. That is why I have changed with respect to n and k. Any issues up to here? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Now I will write k is vary from -1, 0 and n is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, as we discussed in the last problem. Like that only I have find it k and n. N is vary from -2 to +1. Why? How -2? In the left side we have totally 2 samples. That is why -2 and -1, totally 2 samples. Origin, and right side of the origin we have only 1 sample. Like that I have written n value, and k value is same as your x of k or x of n. Next, okay, next step is when n is equal to -2. N is equal to -2. My original equation, I am going to consider this second equation, so that y of -2 is equal to summation k is equal to -1 to 0, x of k into h of -k -2. N value will be -2. Here we have a plus n. Minus k plus n is replaced by minus k -2. Why? Because n value will be -2. That is why I have changed this equation. Next, consider the graphs. That is, we have h of k. We have this signal. Already we have this signal h of k. That is -1, 0, 1. Amplitude will be 1, 2 and 3. Okay, I have h of k. Now I want h in terms of h of -k -2. I want h of -k -2. I have h of k. See here, I have h of k. I need h of minus k minus 2. Means first I have to do shifting property h of k minus 2. Then for the same signal reflection I need to do. Reflection of this k minus 2 I need to do. Are you understood? Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
This signal
Sir,
will be vary
after
from
replacing with -2 in graph.
Becomes plus, sir.
no, not plus. You will not sorry, you may get confusion with respect to this, right? Last one. Okay. Now we have h of k. I have written here h of k. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
I need to represent this h of k in terms of h of minus k minus 2. For that I need to do first shifting property.
Yes, sir.
First I need to do shifting property. 2 times I need to shift towards right side. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
If I am going to move this signal towards right side of 2 steps, my signal will be starts at +1, ends at +3. The signal will be same 1, 2, 3. This is your h of k minus 2. 2 times right side. It is starts at -1. So that 2 times means up to 0, 1. At place of 1, it will be 2 times. The signal will be starts at 1, ends at +3. Yana doubt idya? See, original signal h of k lies between between +1. K is replaced by k minus 1. K minus 2. K is replaced by k minus 2. I need k here. I need to add 2. -1 plus 2. -1 plus 2 less than or equal to k minus 2 plus 2 less than or equal to 1 plus 2. 2 gets cancelled. -1 plus 2 1. K is lies between 1 to 3. Whatever the signal I got here, this will be matched with this. Artha aita? Shifting property. First module ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ವಲ್ಲೇನ್ರಿ shifting property ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ರೀ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ ರೀ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we want h of minus k minus 2. Already we have k minus 2. Already we got k minus 2. I need to reflect this signal. Andre reflection, mirror image. Andre ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಓಡಿಸಬೇಕು. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇವಾಗ ಮಿರರ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is your h of minus k minus 2. The signal is at -1, -2, -3. At -2, 1. This will be 2 and this will be 3. Got everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now to complete, make a note here. Now to complete y of n, to compute y of -2, multiply x of k and h of minus k minus 2. We have two different signals, that is x of k and h of minus k minus 2. Multiply those two signals. I will write it here. X of k. X of k. K is varies from -1, 0. -1 is 2. At 0, sorry, this is 3. This is 2. What we have original signal? This is x of k. Then multiply with h of minus k minus 2. 0, -1, -2, -3. 1, 2, 3. Multiply each individual samples. Y of -2 is equal to at -3 left side we have a 0 into 3 plus at -2 2 into 0 at -1 1 into 3 3 into 1 plus at 0, 2 into 0 means this becomes 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. You will get 3. Got everyone? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, now the same problem we have solved for the mathematical representation. What we got for y of n minus 2? We got 3. So that the graphical representation of a y of minus 2 value will be correct. Like that, you have to perform for n is equal to minus 1, n is equal to 0 and n is equal to 1. Can you please try?
Yes, sir.
Okay, try. I will give 10 minutes time. You have to try. After that, you have to turn on your camera and you have to show the answer. Those who are showing the answer, they will get the attendance. Make it fast. When n is equal to minus 1. N is equal to minus 1. Y of minus 1 is equal to summation k is equal to minus 1 to 0 x of k h of k minus 1, sorry, minus k minus 1, minus k minus 1. Already we have h of k. H of k at minus 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now h of k minus 1 from 0 to 1. 0, 1, 2. 1, 2. H of k minus 1, 0, 1, 2. One step we are going to moving towards right side. 1, 2, 3. This is k samples. Now I need to reflect. K h of minus k minus 1. Already k minus 1 we have. I need to reflect. From the same point it will be going to reflect. Zero, 1, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, now we need to multiply x of k and h of minus k minus 1. X of k 0, 2, minus 1, 3 with multiply with this signal. These two will be multiplied. 0, -1, -2, 3, 2, 1. Multiply y of -1. Here at -2 we have 2, the x of k 0, plus the -1 we have 2 into 3, plus 0, 1 into 2. Okay, that's it. How much will get this will be 0. 6 plus 3.
8, sir. 6 plus 2.
6 plus 2, yes.
8, sir.
8 will get. Y of -1 will be 8. Similarly, you will get for y of 0 and y of 1. Y of n is equal to, finally, you will get 3, 8, 13, 6 is the origin. Got everyone? Try for another 2, y of 0 and y of 1. See, very important. Easily you can get 8 to 10 marks. This kind of problems they will ask. These are the finite set of sequences. Yesterday I have solved one. Yesterday and today we have solved 2 problems. Formula method for finite sequence. Graphical representation for finite sequence. Then in this we need to discuss infinite sequence with respect to formula method and infinite sequence with respect to graphical method. Totally 4 different types in discrete and 4 different types in continuous. See, problematic subjects are not so easy. I think yesterday you got the results. You will come to know the reality of your studies now, I think. Okay, be serious from now onwards. Don't neglect the classes. It's very important. Okay, got the answer for that? Y of 0 and y of 1.
Doing, sir.
Okay, do. Okay, answer your attendance. Manish D.
Present, sir.
Manish Kumar.
Present, sir.
Manoj BC. Manoj HM.
Present, sir.
Manoj MS. Manoj Deep.
Present, sir.
Ranindra.
Present, sir.
Madhusudan. N. Harshita.
Present, sir.
Sharath.
Yes, sir.
Surendra.
Present, sir.
Neetushri.
Present, sir.
Yamini.
Present, sir.
Nilesh Raj.
Yes, sir.
Nisha.
Present, sir.
Nitin. Omkar Kiran Shet. Harshavardhan Reddy.
Present, sir.
Jayavant. Tarun Kumar. Pawan Kumar, Prajwal, Prashant.
Present, sir. Prajwal.
Okay. Prashant, Priyanka,
Present, sir.
Pruthvik, Rachana,
Present, sir.
Raghu Kumar,
Present, sir.
Rahul, Rajesh,
Present, sir.
Ranjit, Ranjita,
Present, sir.
Ruchit, Sagar,
Present, sir.
Khalil Basha,
Yes, sir.
Shashank,
Present, sir.
Shishira,
Present, sir.
Shravani,
Present, sir.
Srilekha,
Present, sir.
Shreyanshu,
Present, sir.
Shreyas,
Present, sir.
Surya,
Present, sir.
Vinila, Tejas,
Present, sir.
Siddhant, Uday Kumar, Venkat Kishore, Vaishnavi, Varshita,
Present, sir.
Vinita,
Present, sir.
Vivek Kumar, Ajay Sagar, John Krupa Reddy,
Yes, sir.
Vikas Arvind Reddy, Pawan Kumar,
Present, sir.
Nivedita.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Got the answer, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Can anyone show me the answer, please? I want graphical representation. H of minus k, I want. H of minus k plus 1, I want. Show me the answer. Varshita, CR madam. Okay. Take next problem. Homework. Tomorrow you have to show the solution for this. A discrete time LTI system. Make a note. Problem. Take the problem. A discrete time LTI system has impulse response. Has impulse response. H of n. H of n. As shown below. As shown below. Determine the system output. Determine the system output given x of n is equal to u of n minus u of n minus 3 and h of n, they had given h of n, write down h of n, minus 2 0 minus 3 0. At minus 1 we have an amplitude of 1. At 0 we have an amplitude of 3. At 1 we have an amplitude of 2. At 2 we have an amplitude of minus 1. At 3 we have an amplitude of 1. at 4, 0. They had given h of n. They had given x of n for the equation x of n they had given. By make use of this equation, you should find the x of n graphical representation pulses. Then that will be changed to x of k and h of k. Use the formula and find the value k length you have to find. L samples we need to find. N value we need to find. Okay, tomorrow you have to show the answer for this problem.
Yes, sir.
Still 2 minutes time is there. Can you try to sketch the signal for x of n? So what are the concepts we discussed in the first module? Shifting, scaling, reflection. Wherever you go, they will follow you. Throughout signals, we require that. If you are unable to perform with respect to that, it's very difficult. Okay, second module full reflection, scaling, shifting, all three required. In third module, fourth module also. Properties we are going to use. Properties of Fourier series and Fourier transform. Discrete time properties and continuous time properties. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ರೀ ರಿಸಲ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
ಸರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಪವರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರ್ದು ಬಂದಿದೆ? Anybody got 100 out of 100 in power electronics? 95? 90? 85? ಏನ್ರಿ? Oh, marks is for 60, right? Anybody got 50 out of 60? 45 out of 60? 40 out of 60?
I got 42, sir.
Sorry?
80 out of 100, sir.
Out of 100, 80. Okay, good. Any others?
76, sir.
76 out of 100. What's your name?
Fanindra, sir.
Panindra. Then any others? $70 out of 100. Anybody?
Sir.
ಯಾರಿದು?
Varshita, sir.
CR madam. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ?
70, sir.
Out of 100. Very good. Then?
Sir, 70, sir.
One more 70. Who is that?
Shravani, sir.
Shravani. Any others? Any other?
Sir, 70.
70.
Yes, sir.
Name?
Manoj Deep.
Manoj Deep.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Then next. ಶಿಶಿರ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದೆಷ್ಟ್ರಿ?
ಸರ್ 68 ಸರ್.
68.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
Okay, congratulations to everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, try to get good marks in fourth semester also. In all the subjects.
Yes, sir.
Study well, don't waste the time. Okay, it's very difficult subjects in fourth semester also. Microcontroller, control systems, signals and systems. ES and ESL, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Analog circuits. All
Yes,
difficult
sir.
subjects. Chana Bodhi.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you. We'll continue in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.